Hi, boys and girls, and today on What's on the Music Menu, we will be traveling the vocal pathways with me, Mr. P. Let's see what's behind the curtain today. Well, it looks like, that's right, a map of the United States. Can you find me? What am I flying in? That's right, I'm flying in a paper airplane. Now, I'm going to fly from one side of the map to the other by using my voice. Follow the vocal pathway. Are you ready? Here we go. Now, I need you to help me fly back. Follow the pathway and use your voice. Ready? Go. Great job. Here I am driving with my dog Percy. Let's follow this vocal pathway up and down the hills using my voice. Let's go. All right, now it's your turn. Use your own voice and help me and Percy return back by following the vocal pathway. Ready, set, go. Nice job. Boys and girls, when I go for a walk, I often listen to music while wearing headphones. Follow along as I walk from one side of this vocal pathway to the other. Boys and girls, I really need you to help me get back. Use your voice and again follow the pathway so I can return to the other side. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job today, boys and girls. I really hope you had fun traveling the different vocal pathways with me. Thank you for watching. Bye.